Did Blake make it up there?
Yeah, I almost have to give you CPR. You see what hit around my trolley off?
See what?
You want to play with my dick, pretty much. That's what he said.
Oh yeah, that's what it said.
Yeah.
Huh?
You go down?
No, I'm alright. I'll hang for you for a minute.
No, but I want to make sure that way you don't get caught in the fucking...
Yeah, you don't want to move. Swivel when I'm fucking. It don't move very fast, but that would hurt.
Yeah, I'm going to cut you
like
out.
that.
So ya es todo esto en eso.
¿Qué fue?
¿Ya fue todo?
Sí, ya fue todo, ya fue de bastante lejos.
You can see it from there for the 4 mile.
That's what they said, yeah. Makes sense. You can see the...
Yeah. But that's the only spot you can see it right there. After that you can't see it at all. We move a shit when you fucking ready.
What's that?
We move a team with this fucking...
You guys have moved a lot of shit, man.
I think we're kicking ass on those precast things.
Yeah.
For me, never run this motherfucker my first time.
No shit.
Yeah. I run all the crane, the hydro, the crawler crane. I run those for a lot of years, but never fucking tower crane.
I'm shaky, Gio.
Yeah?
I'm shaky.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nothing. You think where the fucking blow 50 miles an hour wind.
Nah, you won't catch me up here with all that wind.
Not many guys. I was the only fucking stupid crazy here. We're not parking for tonight.
All done?
Yeah. Well, those fucking guys